MIT-WPU remains committed to shaping professionals for global careers. Through industry-relevant curriculum, expert mentorship, and holistic development, our students are stepping into promising roles at Deloitte.
Working in one of the big four is no less than a dream for me.
This achievement has been made possible thanks to MIT-WPU for the constant support and guidance.
MIT-WPU's workshops, certifications, guest lectures, and continuous placement support through aptitude training and interview preparation played a key role in this achievement.
Being a part of placement cell, it broadens your range to corporate world and shape you from the start. It also helps to widen your range into different industries and meet HRs, corporates in every way. I would say it is a big opportunity for me to be a part of MIT-WPU University.
That helped me identify my strength and align it with the company. I'm truly grateful to MIT-WPU University for shaping me academically and professionally.
I'm thankful for all the faculty members to help me throughout this process, and I encourage others to be the part of this exciting environment.
MIT-WPU is proud to nurture talent that thrives in global careers. Congratulations to our students.